Imagine starting a business powered by artificial intelligence and disrupting entire industries overnight. Well, the future is now. I've uncovered 7 untapped AI business opportunities that are set to take off, and I'm going to reveal them to you in this video. These AI startups will shape the world of tomorrow. This train is leaving the station fast, so watch till the end because you do not want to miss out on any of these game-changing ideas. Let's get right into the list of 7 groundbreaking AI businesses you can launch this year. Number 7, Intelligent Virtual Assistant or IVA. It is AI-enabled software that generates personalized responses by combining analytics and cognitive computing, based on individual user or customer information, past conversations, and location, leveraging the corporate knowledge base and human insight. Like AI Zira that provide personalized AI assistance to businesses and individuals. AI butlers handle tasks like scheduling, research, and basic chores 24/7. Number 6, IoT startups or Internet of Things. Build smart connected products for homes, cities, cars, and more. The Internet of Things is the future. Launch an IoT startup that enhances convenience and control. Number 5, AI chatbot services. Every business needs a chatbot in 2023. Chatbots powered by AI like ChatGPT engage customers 24/7 by having natural conversations, answering questions accurately and quickly. Build trust and boost sales with your own AI chatbot service. Number 4, AI content creator software. Save time and money by using AI writing tools like Writer to generate optimized content fast. Create blogs, ads, and social posts with AI. You can try Writer today for absolutely free. The link is in the description. Number 3, AI video generator software. Save hours of editing by using AI video creator tools like Pictory AI to turn text into stunning videos. With Pictory AI, you can turn script to video, article to video, and edit videos using text. With Pictory AI, you can also create a slideshow video using existing images and short video clips. Try Pictory AI today, absolutely for free. I put the link in the description to make it easier for you. AI generates animations, visuals, and audio automatically. Let's pause for a moment. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Number 2, AI art generation. Unleash creativity and sell AI-generated art, illustrations, and images on t-shirts, canvases, mugs, and more through print on demand. With AI art innovation like Canva AI, DALL-E 2, the possibilities are endless. Number 1, voice and image recognition software. Offer businesses advanced AI software that interprets audio, video, and images to automate processes. From voice transcription to image analysis, the applications are limitless. There you have my list of top 7 game-changing AI business opportunities ready for you to capture. Let me know which one excites you the most in the comment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching all the way to end. Now go revolutionize an industry with the power of AI.